Come experience the excitement at Saratoga Gaming and Raceway. Our state-of-the-art facilities offers a beautiful racetrack, casino and dining facilities, and is located in the quaint and historic Saratoga Springs, a popular destination for over 100 years. In keeping with tradition, Saratoga Gaming and Raceway was the first video gaming property established in New York State. There's so much to do here. Odds are you will have the time of your life.
Clario, now with a triple moisturizing conditioner. Deep moisture your color to lush and radiant. Hair in great condition, colors more evenly. Hydrant's deep moisturizing color creme. Deeply conditions and protects to lock in unstoppable, lush, radiant color. Clarial hydrants.
If 12 jumbo jets crashed every year, something will be done about it. Every year, nearly 6,000 teens die in automobile accidents. We can all help stop teen driving deaths. And the good news is we can start today. It's time to make the world a safer place to drive. That's Allstate stand. Allstate. You're in good hands.
Hey, if life were perfect, magazines will never smell like perfume. Dogs will walk themselves and algebra would really come in handy. Well, look at the bright side. At least there's Amstel Light. It has only 95 calories, but you still get real imported taste. You don't give up on a thing. Who says nothing's perfect? Amstel Light.